Hi guys, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'm Zita. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button in the corner. And I will be doing a giveaway for my subscribers once I reach 1,000 subscribers. I do have a ways to go, so I need you to help me out. So in order to qualify and help me reach my first goal, you need to click that subscribe button, like and comment on my videos, share my videos with your friends and family, then head on over to Facebook and Instagram and follow me there. And the giveaway that I am thinking about doing is Cricut Joy. And if someone doesn't want the Cricut Joy, maybe an Amazon card. So on my channel, I share with you the DIYs I'm doing around my home, the DIYs I create for my own home decor or for resale or to give as a gift. And I share with you the process that I go through to make these items into beautiful treasures again. So let's get started and see what I worked on in today's video. So today, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you an awesome gift idea for a kid or for an artsy adult even. So these are some items I had laying around the house. A piece of wood that I picked up from my local hardware store, their scrap pile. I thought this piece looked like a house, so this would be an awesome piece for a project. And then I had some cans there from my recycling, which were free, and an old belt that I thrifted from the thrift store. So here, the first step, I'm just sanding down that wood and making it all smooth so there's no potential for splinters. And here I am measuring out with a ruler, dividing it into 3. As I said, this is shaped like a house. I'm going to be making this item into some different colored houses, which are called jelly bean row houses. And these type of houses come from my home province in Canada, Newfoundland. And I'll place a picture here so you can see what they look like. These are very popular in the province that I come from. People paint their houses all kinds of colorful colors. It's a beautiful sight if you've never seen that before. So here I'm just giving the piece a bunch of different colors to match the jelly bean row houses. So I'm going to paint it on both sides in 3 different colors on this side and then 3 different colors on the other side. So these are the colors I chose for the other side, totally different colors. And this project is a gift for my niece for Christmas. I think she's going to love this. She's 6 years old and she's into arts and crafts already, so I think she's really going to enjoy this piece. So right here I'm spray painting the cans from my recycling white because I'm going to be decoupaging these with some napkins. So if you paint your cans in white, the napkins picture will show up better than if you place the napkin just on the tin can before painting it. So you will want to pull your napkins apart, whether they're 2-ply or 3-ply. I had some 2-ply napkins here and a 3-ply napkin, so you're going to need to pull them apart right down to the picture portion of the napkin. And this is the Mod Podge that I'll be using on the cans to apply the napkins. So I applied my napkin by just kind of laying the can on it and then just rolling it across. I found it was easier that way. And now I'm just using a piece of plastic here to smooth out the napkin. Then I'll cut the end portion of the napkin on and just Mod Podge that down on the end. And then I let all these cans, once I have all the napkins on there and all the Mod Podges on there, I'll let them dry overnight, and then I'll Mod Podge the top of the cans to seal it in. So here's the next day once all the cans have dried, and now I'm applying that top coat of Mod Podge just to give them a good sealing in. And make sure you apply like a thinner coat of Mod Podge. You don't need it really thick. So right here I've anchored down a piece of 2x2 across my table, and I put the can over the wood and I drilled a hole in the cans for the screw that's going to go in that house portion of it. So here I have some screws. I'm just kind of marking out where I'm going to drill my holes, do the pilot holes for the screws, just so the wood doesn't split and it's easier to get the screws in this way. So you're going to drill your pilot hole and then put your can and then put your screws in. It's going to be easier to get your screw in this way. So they're nice and sturdy, so I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. I'm going to drill my pilot holes and then put the screws into the can. Right here I'm just using some cardstock and my cutter to cut out a little template for windows for the house. And this is a cutter I got at the dollar store, and so is this cutting mat. I got that at the dollar store. So if you're in need of any of those, you can pick up those for just over $1 at the dollar store. So here I'm taping down my template for my windows, and I'm going to start out with the black, and then I'm going to go around these black windows once they're dried with some white paint to outline them. And I'm using a white interior paint here. And I go around all of these windows once, let it dry, and then do a second coat for the white, just to give the piece in the windows more dimension. So this is what it looks like, guys, and then after I decided to add more to the windows. And here's a little pencil that I found at the thrift store for $1, so I thought this was perfect to add to the side. This is going to make it look a little more crafty, and I did put my niece's name on there as well in different colors, so in dark and lighter colors. Doesn't that look awesome, guys? She is absolutely gonna love this. So now for the end piece, I'm gonna add a handle on top, and with that belt that you saw in the beginning that I thrifted from the thrift store, and I need to put an extra hole in there just to make the handle big enough for her or someone else to hold. So I use that leather hole punch to put an extra hole in the belt. And now here I'm just attaching it with some upholstery nails that are black, and they have that hammered look, which I love. So they blend right in with the belt. And I just nailed those in with a hammer. And you can pick these up at your local hardware store. I got these at the Home Depot. So after I have both sides attached, I just cut that end piece off there with some scissors, and it was pretty easy to cut. and just shaped it out to the shape of the roof on the house. And I did end up putting some more windows on the sides of the house, windows on both sides, and then on that blue side I also put a door and some steps. You'll see in the end pictures. So guys, if you need an awesome gift for a kid or even an artsy adult, I would love to have one of these for myself, which I may make one for myself. So as you can see there's the doors and the windows on the side as well. But this is an awesome gift for a kid. I'm giving this gift to my niece for Christmas, and I absolutely think she's gonna love this. So hope this project gave you guys some inspiration to make some budget-friendly Christmas gifts or birthday gifts. This whole project cost me about $5. Well guys, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope this video gave you guys some inspiration for your next DIYs. Don't forget to like and comment on my videos. This helps the YouTube algorithm share my videos with more viewers, which will help my channel grow. So I really appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button, like and comment on my videos, and click the notification bell for more videos like this one. Until the next video, guys, have an awesome day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.